Does any of this sound familiar? Those days when you were struggling with pain during your periods and somebody came and told you, अरे बेटा इतना दर्द तो होता है, थोड़ा सहन करना सीखो. Or when you were petrified to even sit somewhere or wear light colored clothes because you thought you'd end up staining due to your heavy flow. Or when deep inside you knew something was not right but you ignored it thinking शायद ये नॉर्मल है, शायद ये सबके साथ होता है, अरे कुछ दिनों में ठीक हो जाएगा. Hello everybody, this is She the People TV and I am Dr. Teertha Shetty. You also know me as the fervid gynecologist on Instagram. Here I am today to tell you about the 4 signs during a menstrual cycle you should absolutely not ignore. Your period is the day from when you start bleeding and it ends when you stop bleeding. Your menstrual cycle is the interval between the first day of your period to the first day of your next period. So, the first day of your period is the first day of your menstrual cycle. Coming to the signs, let's start with the duration of your cycle. The average duration of your menstrual cycle is 28 days. However, it can vary between 21 to 35 days. If your cycle is coming earlier than 21 days or if it is coming later than 35 days, it should be addressed. The second sign is the duration of your flow. The normal duration of your flow could vary anywhere between 2 and 7 days. However, if you do not experience any bleeding or if you're bleeding for longer than a week, it is time you go and seek advice regarding the same. Number 3 is the volume of your flow. Normally, you may bleed anywhere between 80 to 120 ml. That is, changing about 3 to 5 pads or tampons per day, or visiting the toilet to empty your menstrual cup about 3 to 5 times in a day. However, if you're changing your pad or your tampon every hour or in every 2 hours, or if you rush to the toilet to empty your menstrual cup every 1 to 2 hours, or if you experience intermenstrual bleeding, that is, if you are bleeding in between 2 menstrual cycles or in between 2 periods, then that is not normal. And last but not the least, the fourth sign is the pain during your periods. Normally, every menstruator may experience some amount of pain which usually starts about 1 to 3 days before their period starts, may peak about say 24 hours after their period begins, but usually subsides in 1 to 2 days. The pain can be anywhere from a throbbing kind of pain, a cramping kind of pain, or a dull aching pain which may be seen in their lower abdomen, may present as a backache, or may be radiating down the thighs. However, if the pain is so severe that it interferes with your day-to-day activities, or if the intensity of the pain increases progressively, it is time you go and visit your gynecologist so that you can get the help that is required. I hope the next time you notice any of these signs during your menstrual cycle, you will not suffer silently. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.